दो खुशखबरियाँ एक साथ. How happy you're feeling? Huh?
Very.
Very?
Very grateful. I always believe कि the universe's hand is on my head, and in this case, Sanjay sir's. I love him.
Yeah.
You are looking too beautiful.
और आपका जो यहाँ पर आपने पहना है मतलब बहुत ही खूबसूरत है क्या ये?
Yeah.
Look at that.
Ultimate love.
Fardeen ji, you're so uninterested tariffing me, no?
Tareefing me. Love it.
No, you're looking the diamond on this floor at least.
आप ही हीरा हो इस मंच पे.
I was when I was away, I was very cut off from the industry for 12 years. I literally just took off, and I wasn't really in touch with anyone as such. So I've come back with this feeling of a newcomer. I'm here to learn.
मैं सच बताऊं तो मुझे ज़्यादा नॉलेज नहीं था. जितना भी नॉलेज था वो अक्सर फिल्मों के ज़रिए आता था. जैसे आपकी पाकीज़ा हो गई या मुग़ल आज़म हो गई.
फैन का कि आप इतनी खूबसूरत हैं कि आपने चांद निगल लिया है. How you'll react to this?
What do I say?
You have to react.
I think we're happy to see her shine in the sky every night.
Yeah.
From today I'm going to call the moon Aditi.
Madhuri Dixit.
Evergreen.
Evergreen. I'm taking that. Raveena.
I'd like to add to Madhuri one of my crushes.
Yeah.
रवीना.
Raveena.
Hashtag talented.
Fardeen, I can take yours. Raveena के लिए.
She was a schoolmate of mine. Friend.
Friend. थोड़ा सा दीजिए ध्यान क्योंकि इट इज़ फिल्मी ज्ञान. आई एम अ से आदि वेलकमिंग यू ऑल. पहली बात तो तवायफ़ों को इतना इंतज़ार नहीं कराया करते नवाब साहब. तवायफ़ें रूठ जाती हैं. आई बीन वेटिंग फ्रॉम वेरी लॉन्ग बट आई गेस जो इंतज़ार है वो जनता ने भी बहुत किया और वो अभी भी उसमें है कि चलो जब आएगी तो बहुत कमाल करेगी. फरदीन, स्टार्टिंग विद यू, हाउ आर यू फीलिंग? आई नो यू बीन आंसरिंग दिस फ्रॉम डे मॉर्निंग अप टू 9 टू दिस. टेल मी, कैसे लग रहा है सब कुछ? अंदाज़े खास.
Very excited, little nervous. I feel like क्योंकि 12 साल के बाद मैं वापस आया हूँ इंडस्ट्री में और एक बहुत ही अलग एटीट्यूड के साथ आया हूँ. I feel like a newcomer all over again. और मुझे इस तरह का मौका मिला, इस तरह के प्रोजेक्ट में काम करने का मौका मिला. And it's a gift to me of sorts. So I'm extremely grateful that I've got this opportunity to work with someone like Sanjay Leela Bhansali. And
अदिति, सोने पे सुहागा सबके साथ, पर आपके साथ स्पेशल, एक के साथ एक, है ना? टेल मी, दो खुशखबरियाँ एक साथ. How happy you're feeling? हाँ?
Very.
Very?
Of course.
बट कितना अलग एक्सपीरियंस रहा है मैनेजिंग पर्सनल, प्रोफेशनल एंड देन एवरीथिंग एंड स्टिल बीइंग एबल टू परफॉर्म सच वंडरफुल. आई एम टेलिंग, आई हैव सीन यू, यू आर टू गुड. आई जस्ट कांट इमेजिन. एक कमेंट भी मैं लेकर आया हूँ, वो बाद में पढ़ूंगा, लेकिन टेल मी हाउ लवली यूर फीलिंग एंड फॉर्चुनेट यूर फीलिंग एट द मोमेंट.
Very fortunate, very grateful. I always believe कि the universe's hand is on my head, and in this case, Sanjay sir's. I love him. I'm so grateful to be a part of his world, really, truly. And I know what kind of, I know the kind of immense love he has for his creation, for us, for his characters, for his music, for everything. And I feel so lucky as an actor. Here you have a director who just lays it out for you. Everything is the best. And he wants you to do your best. What can be better than that? And his compliments when he's happy are also the best. So it's really incredible, and I feel very blessed. And as a Sanjay sir fan girl, I am dying to watch HEERAMANDI.
ताहा, आपका तो दिल बाग बाग हो रहा है क्योंकि मैं बता रहा हूँ कि अब बहुत सारी लड़कियों का भी होगा. आई एम टेलिंग यू दैट. सो आर यू एक्साइटेड फॉर दैट?
I'm excited to just be part of this project. ये हमारी खुशनसीबी है कि मुझे मतलब संजय सर के साथ काम करने का मौका मिला है. किसको मिलता है? बहुत ही कम लोगों को मिलता है. Of course, Aditi gets it twice, you know. But more than that मिलेगा और मिलेगा इंशाल्लाह. I'm very excited. More than that, I'm very grateful. मैं of course मैं धन्यवाद करता हूँ of course Netflix, Sanjay Leela Bhansali, my mother. who has stuck by me for so long, you know, and जो जनता का प्यार मिलने वाला है, it's all because of Sanjay sir. और हम सबको मिलने वाला है, it's a blessing. Whatever happens after the release, it's an extra blessing. The main thing is the blessing of being part of such an incredible project. जो आप संजय सर के आप छत्रों छायों में हो, उनका हाथ आपके सर पर है. I feel that that's the biggest blessing, and I hope कि इसके बाद भी हमें बहुत सारे मौके मिले कि हम संजय सर के साथ काम
Before
करें.
going ahead, you can compliment me. Come on.
Yes.
I did all for Heeramandi Netflix के लिए.
I know, right? You were the sorry for the Netflix.
No, it was off camera. Yeah.
You are looking too beautiful.
और आपका जो यहाँ पर आपने पहना है मतलब बहुत ही खूबसूरत है क्या ये?
Yeah.
Look at that.
Ultimate love.
Fardeen ji, you're so uninterested tariffing me. No.
Tarifing me. Love.
No, you're looking the diamond on this floor at least.
आप ही हीरा हो इस मंच पे.
कमाल बात ये है कि जब भी हम कुछ नया करते हैं और नए लोगों के साथ करते हैं तो we always take the learnings from the people, right? It could be anything. So I want to know that what all learnings or pickups you have taken from Sanjay Leela ji.
यानी वो लिस्ट बनाते बनाते हम बूढ़े हो जाएंगे.
कोई एक जो दिल को छू गई हो.
His keen vision and his observation to detail. That is something, because the God lies in the details.
Yes.
And so that is something that I have taken away. कि watch out for the smallest things, because the small things बन के समुंदर बनता है. बूंद बूंद से समुंदर बनता है.
क्या चुराया?
चुराया कुछ नहीं, वो बहुत जेनरस टीचर हैं. तो मैं गई स्पंज जैसे और मैं उनके पीछे पीछे, किसी ने बोला ना Mary had a little lamb, I was the little lamb following him around everywhere. But he has a lot to teach. I mean, there's a lot, and he's a very, very generous teacher. But one of the most beautiful things I find about him, not just as a director but as a human being, is that his heart is so सच्चा. तो जो भी वो कहते हैं, you know he means it. And if he tells you something, you know that he's saying it because it'll make you better. Good or bad, or not so good. And I find that really incredible about him, and that kind of trueness and purity is very beautiful. And living the life that he has lived to keep that intact, you know, is really wonderful, and I hope that I can do that too.
Fardeen ji, after 12 years and that too itna lavish sab kuch, tell me how different you're feeling in this industry again, because of course Bollywood has changed, things have changed, the style of work has also been evolved and changed. Tell me what difference you're finding now?
Well, the landscape of the way stories are written, the way stories are consumed, you know, there's a whole new generation, a much younger generation, you know, of Netflix being one of the pioneers of you know, the long form format has really, you know, really helped bring very sophisticated writing, you know, to the screen. You know, it's removed the constraints of what films used to have in the cinemas, and you know, you can I mean, literally watching HEERAMANDI is like an 8-hour movie where, you know, you can really get to know your characters and you can be invested with them. So that whole you know, I mean, and for me it's you know, I was when I was away, I was very cut off from the industry for 12 years. I literally just took off, and I wasn't really in touch with anyone as such. So I've come back with this feeling of a newcomer. I'm here to learn. I'm here to enjoy. I bring a different, a fresh eye, more life experience. I'm a little more wiser or less stupid, whichever way you want to say it, see it. So I'm you know, for me it's a whole new chapter in my life, and exciting times, and I'm just grateful to be back to work, and you know, working with you know, on a project like this with talent like this. And you know, I got to mention there were other 2 films which I've also done, which will be releasing this year. So exciting year for me.
Yeah.
Yes.
Exciting year.
ताहा, तीनों से सवाल होगा मेरा. हीरामंडी के बारे में आप इससे पहले कितना जानते थे? I want to know that personal stories, because of course when we work on a project like हीरामंडी, या तो हमें ऑलरेडी कुछ चीज़ें पता होती या हमें नहीं पता होती, है ना? Like I wasn't aware, but I was too interested knowing that what used to happen that time back then. So tell me, were you aware? कुछ चीज़ों से आपको पता था कि पहले ऐसा होता था, तमाम चीज़ें?
मैं सच बताऊं तो मुझे ज़्यादा नॉलेज नहीं था, जितना भी नॉलेज था वो अक्सर फिल्मों के ज़रिए आता था। जैसे आपकी पाकीज़ा हो गई या मुग़ल आज़म हो गई, या आप वैसे कुछ भी फिल्में आप उठा लो, तो जो हमारी मम्मी और पापा देखते थे, वो देख कर हम बड़े हुए, एंड देन वी थॉट दैट दैट इज़ व्हाट इट इज़। पर अक्सर ये होता है कि लाइक इवन अनदर पर्सन सेड दैट नवाब जो हैं, देर ऑलवेज शो इन वन डायमेंशन, the understanding of tawaiffs again is in one dimension. So HEERAMANDI breaks that concept, and it opens up the human aspect of it, and I believe that they've explored both the Nawabs and the Tawaifs in a very different perspective, and this is something that is going to open up the vision of all the audience members as well, like yourself. I'm sure you've learned a lot from HEERAMANDI. I did too.
Yeah.
While I'm shooting it, you know, Sher o Shairi, Tehzeeb, and a lot of other things. So yeah, I to be honest, I didn't know, and I'm glad that I got introduced to this whole subject. Classical music.
Yeah.
Right now, I'm a big fan of classical music. जब भी बाहर भी चलता है, I think my ears automatically stand up.
क्लब्स में जाके आप ये तो नहीं कहते कि I want classical?
नहीं, मैं तो बोलता हूँ
Stop
कि मैं क्लासिकल नहीं, मैं बंसाली म्यूज़िक बोलता हूँ। हाँ, क्योंकि उनके म्यूज़िक में एक अलग ही चार्म होता है, एक अलग ही नशा होता है। So yeah, 100% he's changing the, you know, like he said, right? So the landscape is changing, and Sanjay sir has his own landscape, and that's what I've learned from HEERAMANDI and by staying next to Sanjay sir.
अदिति, कितनी जानकारी थी, क्योंकि आप तो ऐसे प्रोजेक्ट्स में आपके फेवरेट हैं और जनता भी आपको ऐसे प्रोजेक्ट्स में देखना चाहती है बारंबार।
Thank God. एक्चुअली मैं बचपन से काफ़ी मैंने म्यूज़िक डांस का मतलब माहौल रहा है अराउंड मी, और माई मदर ऑल्सो गॉट अ ग्रांट फ्रॉम द फोर्ड फाउंडेशन टू स्टडी tawaiffs and thumri, and she is also a classically trained singer, and so I have heard a lot of thumri, dadra, hori, kajri, khayal.
अरे वाह।
And I've been dancing since I was little, but Bharatanatyam I learned from Leela Samson, and I've watched a lot of Kathak and other dance forms. But वो जो एक natural होता है ना आपके माहौल में, maybe आप उसको you don't pay that much attention, वो आप you take it for granted. But then when you come, you know, when you become an actor and your world changes, and then when somebody like a Sanjay sir, whose love for the arts is so pure and his knowledge is so immense, when he takes you back into this world, you feel like,
Hush.
how beautiful, really. So it was a very, very incredible experience for me. Something like almost to go back to something you possibly had some subconscious awareness of since you were a baby. And it's incredible because his integrity in all of this is so pure, you know, and his understanding of it and his nuances are so beautiful.
Sir, what all things?
I knew of HEERAMANDI in a modern context of what it is today, but I didn't know its history, and you know, while trying to find out about the Nawabs, of course, you get to know about the glory days of HEERAMANDI and how it was patronized by the kings of the time, the rulers of the land, and it was a center of arts and culture and poetry and music and dance. And you know, a lot of the rulers and the royalty of the time sent their children there to actually be educated in social etiquette and culture. So you know, it had a very respectable, its beginnings were extremely respectable. And of course, as the patronages changed, rulers changed, you know, it got corrupted in some ways. It lost its original intent and luster, and it of course dwelled more into sex and sexuality, and you know, more a transactional relationship, and became more a center of entertainment. And it was fascinating to see its evolution, and to you know, get a glimpse into a world like that, you know, at a time when it's been set, you know, pre-independence, you know, and just to see it, to see the people that existed there, and what their considerations were, and what their politics were, what their values were, and how it all functioned, and everyone fighting for survival, and the politics and the corruption and the wealth and status of the time. It's fascinating.
So wonderful. Taha, definition of love बदली है आपके लिए कि नहीं? क्योंकि इस तरीके का जो love हम देख पा रहे हैं, that has a lot of things involved, family, society and everything. तो मैं जानना चाहता हूँ कितना फ़र्क आप अब प्यार में देख पा रहे हैं after the kind of role you have played?
प्यार प्यार होता है उसमें मैं आई मीन फ़र्क तो नहीं है बस थोड़ा एनहांस हो चुका है जब आप ऐसे प्रोजेक्ट्स में और आप ऑफ कोर्स संजय सर एवरी फिल्म इज़ ऑल अबाउट इज डिराइव्ड द रूट इज़ ऑलवेज लव तो ऐसे प्रोजेक्ट में ऑफ कोर्स माय बिलीफ ऑफ लव हैज़ इंक्रीज नॉट ओनली दैट आई फील दैट लव इज़ नॉट ओनली फॉर लाइक जैसे आपने कहा इट्स फॉर फैमिली लव इज़ ऑल्सो फॉर मैंने पहले भी कहा है कि आप लव कैन बी फॉर एनीथिंग लव इज़ फॉर योर पैशन लव आपके ख्याल आपके सोच के बारे में हो सकती है प्यार आपके मतलब यू नो माँ बाप के लिए हो सकते हैं आपके दोस्तों के लिए हो सकती हैं so love can be for anything so 100% staying with Sanjay sir now I've completely understood the love for passion the love for filmmaking and the love for telling stories so that is something that I have enhanced in my life
Wonderful. जिस कमेंट की मैं बात कर रहा था अदिति वो कमेंट ये है आपके फ़ैन का कि आप इतनी खूबसूरत हैं कि आपने चांद निगल लिया है How you'll react to this?
निकालो चांद निकालिए क्या है
What do I say?
You have to react.
I think we're happy to see her shine in the sky every night.
Yeah.
From today I'm going to call the moon Aditi.
What do you want me to say?
have
Thank you.
to.
What do I say?
Thank you you'll say to fans.
What do I say? But thank you, I'm so grateful. But
बट राज क्या है क्या खाती हैं आप चांद 2-3 निकल जाती हैं डेली व्हाट्स देयर
मैं अपनी माँ को पूछूं?
Thank your mum and dad.
Yeah.
ठीक है
Genetics.
वंडरफुल
And Sanjay Leela Bhansali.
Sanjay Leela
Who
Bhansali.
films us like this.
वंडरफुल क्योंकि फिल्मी ज्ञान है I'll be going with hashtags I'll be naming people Bollywood people you have to give any hashtags whichever coming to your mind
one word hashtags or
one word so anyone can give I'll see whichever I'll pick अब रत्तो बेगम आई है तो थोड़ा तो जमावड़ा अपना रखेगी तो शाहरुख खान
क्या 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 करना
शाहरुख
क्या
खान
है?
हैशटैग
देना है hashtag बादशाह
Hashtag love.
बादशाह
Bacha.
ही इज लाइक ओके ये दोनों दे ही रहे हैं
बादशाह।
I'll be out ठीक है अक्षय
जवान।
कुमार, Don. अक्षय कुमार
खिलाड़ी
खिलाड़ी
Same.
सेम
Khiladi, I
you
agree.
have to be you know
Unique, हाँ, मैं
competitive as
हाँ,
well
चलिए ठीक है
माधुरी दीक्षित
Evergreen.
Evergreen I'm taking that whatever is coming पहले रवीना
Are you taking एक ही
Yeah.
अच्छा एक ही अच्छा ओके
you have to be fast
Fast, okay, समझ गया।
रवीना
I'd like to add to Madhuri, one of my crushes.
Yeah.
रवीना
रवीना।
hashtag talented
फरदीन I can take yours रवीना के लिए रवीना
She was a schoolmate of mine. Friend.
friend
Yes.
wonderful आमिर
hashtag
Perfectionist.
ठीक है wonderful सोनाली बिंद्रे या
Hashtag stunning. Sorry.
Adorable.
adorable see men are good with you know
I've worked with her. And
She's too amazing.
and she's
which one which film
Love ke liye. And she's a wonderful person. And
सुष्मिता
hashtag Miss Universe
You know, we're at the end of our day. हमारा दिमाग नहीं काम कर रहा है.
You're like I'll be on rest today ठीक है last
enigmatic.
oh wonderful इमरान खान
The
कभी कभी अदिति
right
कभी कभी Aditi, love it.
I'm
Thanks.
giving myself प्रीति जिंटा
oh hashtag
चुलबुली.
चुलबुली
interesting
हीरा मंडी
Hashtag Sanjay Leela Bhansali.
एंड संजय लीला बंसाली हैशटैग हीरा मंडी
no hashtag love
हैशटैग
Yeah.
ठीक है that's it because
Hashtag legacy.
legacy
empire
ठीक है खुदा हाफिज
खला
Sadab.
आपकी दुआएं चाहते हैं हम दे दीजिए आप जनता को ताकि वो देख पाएं बहुत जल्द हीरा मंडी 1 तारीख को
फरदीन से start
This look is just like.
Hi, this is Fardeen Khan and looking forward to seeing you on the 1st of May with HEERAMANDI, the Diamond Bazaar, only on Netflix.
Hey, this is Aditi Rao Hydari, and we will see you on the 1st of May with HEERAMANDI, the Diamond Bazaar, only on Netflix.
Assalamu alaikum, मेरा नाम है Taha Shah. Please make sure to watch HEERAMANDI, the Diamond Bazaar, only on Netflix on May 1st.
वाह वालेकुम अस्सलाम. मैं हूँ से आदि. I'm not in हीरा मंडी, but yes, I'm supporting them full on from Filmy Gyan. Do watch it. Keep shining, rising, inspiring. May God bless you with everything you want in life.
ध्यान रखिए.
Thank you.
Thank you.